What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today I got some packages to hit my doorstep. One definitely there, more on the way. After I run to the bank, we're gonna do some unboxing and see what we got. What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today we got another package in the mail, and this is a pretty rounded out week. I think we already got 6 shoes, and we got the DMPs coming. I went on the raffle earlier today, and I got the linens I'm pulling the trigger on in the morning, and that'll be 8 cops this week. So as you know, please hit the thumbs up. It goes a long way, and I'm on my way to 1K, believe it or not. Seems like I just started the other day. It was only a few months ago, but you guys have been really rocking and repping with me out there, and I appreciate every one of you. And feel free to drop your comments in the bottom. I love interacting. If there's something you want to talk about or want me to go over, I will get it, man. Y'all know that. So we just did a giveaway for $100 on me and a couple other content creators, and we did another one for 50 on another channel, and we'll be doing a huge 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're talking like at least $500, man. Like 5 winners will be getting $100. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure your alerts are on, and the info is coming. We're almost at that 500 mark, and we're going to be over the hill to 1K. So without further ado, let's get into why you're here today. Let's talk about these Jordans. Let's go. Don't throw it. Wow. Man, that's a big box. Goodness gracious, that's the biggest box I've got from Nike. Wow. So when the shot dropped, one of the mini shot drops of the restocks came, I was driving down the road and I pulled over real quick and I was like, dun, 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 dun. I was like, fill it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And by the time I got everything I wanted in the cart, the mocha sold out, so I was unable to get those, but I got quite a few other ones that are still on the way. This came today, so let's get in this box. All right, we got the standard Jordan box. Got your Jumpman and Air right here. Box reads Air Retro 3, light smoke, gray, chlorophyll. So it's $190 US retail. I got it for a lot below that. Opening up the box. Opening it up. They didn't do a good job of packing this. They usually do a little better than this. So opening it up. Wow, this is not a good job of packing. I am not happy with Nike as much as I spend every week there. So we're gonna pull this one out, and we're gonna pull this other one out. Looks almost like they're worn, but no. You have your Jumpman. Man, you know what? Are these worn? Are these like returns or something? This is live. This is not edited. This is not edited at all. What do you think about? That's like a sale, but what do you guys think? Oh, well, it smells new. Look. Guys, I don't know about this shoe. The hang tag's not even on it. It's usually hanging right here. Look how tight it's tied. It's usually not that tight. I know that's a factory knot right there, but look at it, guys. Look at it up close. Does it look used a little bit to you? I mean, I don't know. What's your thoughts? Drop them in the comment. Let me know what you think. Look at this, guys. And look, even more so, let me show you. Where's that spot at? Right here. See that right there? All right, anyway, jumping in this Jordan, you have the elephant print on the toe and on the back heel. You have your gray, white, green, black outer, your sail mid, the air bubble in the middle, which I love. And you have your smoke light gray with your green Jumpman on the back rotating it around. You have the green eyelets and black eyelets here. Green eyelets at the bottom. This is super. I've never got a Jordan this tight. And of course you got your green Jumpman. Now on the inside it doesn't look. We have the size down in there if you can see. So obviously that hasn't been worn, but you know what? They've got a big crease on the toe box. Look at that. Have you guys got a Jordan like this, man? I've never got one that's been this. I swear this has been worn. These have been worn. Man, that is not cool at all. I mean, I could be wrong, guys. But look, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Drop a comment. I really want some feedback on this. What do you guys think? Do you think these Jordans have been worn and they're returned? I mean, the tag's not on them. They have little hints of like dirt on them. The bottom looks like it's been walked in before. Let's pull out Shoe Tree and see what we got. All right, guys. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think. There's some creases, like a little sticky piece of glue right there. Got two dark spots right here where they've been scuffed, it looks like. And there's the bottoms. The bottom's not that bad, but I think this bottom was a little worse right there. Looks like they've been walked in. And looking at them up close, it's really hard to tell, you know, if they've been put on a couple times, but they look a little scuffed. Look right here. See right there? I don't really pick through a pair of shoes, but look, we're talking tag hanging in the box, not on the shoe, tied up like Fort Knox right here. And just what do you guys think? Overall, man, I hate I got so sidetracked on these, reviewing these, but I'm a little upset, man. These are dead stock, I don't think, man, and I want them dead stock. That's what I bought. I could have went on SneakerCon app and bought some used shoes or whatever. But so anyway, here it is, guys. One-time rotation. A beautiful shoe. A definite must-have in the collection. These colors are dope. And a definite must-have. Yeah, man, look. I just seen it, guys. Look. This is not edited. This is all live. Look. So it didn't go through the eyelid up here, but it's going through the eyelid right here. Man, these are worn, dude. So how they gonna send me some worn shoes, man? Heck, gummit. Well, at least I got some, man, my DMPs are coming tomorrow. I know they're not worn because I know the people on the shoe boutique. Man, I'm freaking heated, man. All right, man. All right, guys. All right, thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it, guys. Drop some comments. Let me know if I'm tripping or if you think these are not worn. So we got them tied up here, super tight, tied up top right here, not here. We got the scuffs right here. You got dirt on the bottoms. You have the hang tag missing. Don't even have the chain with it. So, looking at the box, now I need to look at the box. Look how the box came. The box came like I got it at a secondhand store. This one. And you know what, look, the box is even torn right here. The box is torn. Look, the box is torn right here and the paper's stuck on here. It's only got one of these pieces of paper here, and it's all wrinkled the heck and back. All the sides have broken off. Look. The sides are, oh, look what I found. Look. Guys, I can't make this up. Look. There's the chain right there. Like, what is going on with this? All right, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to take some pictures and send back to Nike and try to straighten this out. Dang, man. All right, guys. All right, man. All right. I got my composure. I'm going to get off here. I'm going to take some pictures of this. I'm going to send it to Nike. Let me know what you guys thought. This has never happened to me before. I ordered this from Nike. Usually Memphis, when Memphis is not open right now, or it may be open, but they shut down for a while. Speaking of that, guys, did you guys know that the Vietnam plant, the biggest plant in the world that makes Nikes and New Balance, is closed down because they had a positive COVID-19? So they make several hundred million shoes a year, and they actually shut down a few days ago to clean the facility. So the Memphis, biggest shipping facility, the biggest production facility, all shut down. So that's why a lot of these, one of the reasons we're getting delays on these shoes. But I'm not going to hold y'all, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm on the race to 1K. I appreciate it. And I didn't know I was going to get a shoebox that's. Look at it, guys. Look, I can't make this up. Look, I can't make it up. I didn't expect for the video to go this way, but you know, hey, it's live and live in color. So drop the comments. Let me know what you think I should do. Am I tripping? Should I keep it? Should I send it back? And should I reach out? I mean, let me know in the comments because this is new to me. And when I open this box, obviously I have not seen these before. So, all right, man. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay blessed, stay woke, stay lit, and let's get it.